Hi guys, welcome to Aao Baatein Kare Vijay here. Well, this is your weekly read for the coming week from 8th to 4th of 8th to 14th November 2021. So let's see what's there for the collective. This will be a general read, so you won't resonate with everything. So take what resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay? And I have also put up a reading specially for the fourth new moon which has just gone by. Okay, so please go and check it out. This time it was new moon in Scorpio, and I will be putting up another reading especially for 19th of November. Let me get my facts straight. Yeah, for 19th of November, that will be a lunar eclipse in Taurus. Okay, so what does it mean and more details I'll be putting up in the video itself. So let's see what's in store for us today. This is a new oracle card. I don't have that box here, so this I will be using along with the other tarot cards. Okay, so flowering, the dream, turning in. Beautiful. Okay, so some of us, or I think few of us, are started manifesting something new. It's a new dream. As you can see, the back part is a bit light, so it is the initial stage of dreaming, and we have to tune in or start meditating or start uh, spending time in silence to have clarity about where our life is going, where our dreams are going, what we want in life. And after this, there can be a season of flowering, or we'll start seeing changes in the outer world. So, first and foremost, for our dreams to manifest, it is very important to get in tuned with what we want in life. Okay, so I think this is beautiful, and let's see. So from 8th till 14th, what's coming in the week ahead? So if you all have started dreaming, this is your sign, or this is your encouragement to continue and start uh, having a proper plan how you are going to manifest your dream. I'll take this. Okay. Okay. So the coming week for some of you all is full of what do you say? You all have been worrying about something, being having negative thoughts. There has been lot of struggle, lot of fight, disappointment, feeling stuck. 5 of Pentacles is feeling left out, feeling stuck, and also 5 of Swords, taking too much responsibility. 5 of Swords is when we take less and give out more. Everything in life needs balance. When things become imbalanced, then it takes a toll on us physically or mentally or emotionally. So this is a very low vibe, very negative vibe, and you are also surrounded by people with lot of negativity. So you have to first and foremost try and understand who these people are, and then start shifting your energies away from them. And when you start getting into your own energy, your positive energy, then and tuning in, when you start tuning in, you get more clarity, and you may get new ideas, new passion. You may even get what do you say, a brilliant new idea of how your manifestation will come about. Maybe you want to start a new business, maybe you want to change jobs, maybe you have got some aha moment about something you have been thinking or worrying for months. So it is very, very important to start taking some break, some time to tune in and start manifesting something new. And this staying away from all this negativity is going to take practice, is going to take determination. So you will need all the strength to walk away, because it is not easy. Starting something new is not easy. That's why many people don't do it, or many people are not successful. Okay, so let me pull out a few cards for what is the Ace of Wands and the Moon. So these two cards I would like to know some more clarity on them. What is the Ace of Wands and the Moon? Okay, so let's see. Please give us some clarification. And I will also be pulling out cards for the guidance. What should we do? What is the best way we should take? So, Ace of Wands. So, during the Ace of Wands, as I said, you can come to know about something about your relationship. You can come to know, or you get an idea for a new way of doing business. Seven of, or why some business of yours has failed or it's not doing so well. So this time to tune in is very, very important. And the more you get in touch with your feelings, the more you are in tune with your feelings, there is the wheel of fortune. Things start shifting, things start moving in a very good and positive direction. Okay, so as you can see, it looks as he's Hierophant is again meditation. So there is lot of signs that you should start meditating. And let me pull out simple, what is the advice from the universe. This is a light oracle, but sometimes light is also good. What is the best advice from the universe to tackle this situation? Detox. So we all know what detox means. Detox means clearing a system. Maybe it is physically, or it's in the mind, or spiritually. Start visualizing and decorating things in your mind if you can't do them physically, and start clearing the fog. And for some of you all, it's not an emergency. So some of you all have taken a test and are worried. So for if you are watching this video, this is for you. It's not an emergency. Okay, so this will be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel Aao Baatein Kare. And if you want to book a private tarot, there is link in the description box. Okay, see you again. Have a great day. Love you all. Bye bye.